Greetings, Practical Futurists. Today I'm going to be going through Lesson 3 of the Seeds of Change. Now, for those of you who have been following along, that's for the birds. And for those of you who'd like to, go to timerepaircorp.com and look at Seeds of Change. You can check out either the lessons as they're designed for teachers to give them, or as they're designed for practical futurists to follow along themselves. In the process, you're going to be using a carton of milk to make a bird feeder. Let's get started. The next step, if you're following along with our instructions, is to seal up the top with tape so that rain can't get in. You can see that the top has been sealed and the hole is still there. The next part will go quick and easy if you have a hole punch, but you're just going to be putting a hole through this top tab here. Perfect. Now you've got a hole in the side and a hole in the top, and the top sealed so rain won't get in. Now once you're up to this stage, you can decorate the whole thing any way you want to. You can stick things onto it, you can paint it, you can do whatever you'd like. But remember, if this is going to be out in the weather, then the rain might cause some of those paints and colors to run. So use something more permanent or something that will be able to stand the rain, like a standard acrylic paint. As I said, you can decorate it any way you want. I decided to make my cowpunk rock, and I decided to decorate around there with some flowers and with a weird face, just because I can. Another thing you can do if you choose to is you can make a little rain flap out of the piece that you cut out. That way the hole will have a little bit of protection. So we're going to see if my little roofing effort does any good to keep rain out. And it may be that that's too much and the birds can't get in. If so, it has to come off. But it's worth trying. Always got to experiment. Your bird feeder is effectively ready to be filled up with food. Check out our website to see what kind of foods could go in it, or pick up a pre-mixed variety that makes sense to you and try it out. You'll have to fit a string through the hole so that you can hang it up, but otherwise at that point, it's all up to you. Hang it someplace where you can see it so you can take some pictures. When birds come by and actually visit your creation, and when you've actually finished your creation, take photos. Send them in, post them on our site. I want to thank you all for following along with us in this lesson. If you'd like to see more lessons or more videos, check us out at timerepaircorp.com. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and like the video, and send it along to a friend. If you were just checking out the video and haven't actually made it yet, grab a buddy and get to work. The two of you can also be making one at the same time, so you can compare your work, and then you can have them hanging near each other to see which one works better or which food the birds prefer. Go ahead and try something different. Experiment. I look forward to seeing you again soon, Practical Futurists.